Hello and welcome back everybody to A Bird's Story. Whoops. So, whoops. We got the bird and I can't go home. No, I really can't. I should go over here then. Thank you, trees, for leading me to the right way. This music is really wonderful. I love it. I really love it. Oh, a doctor! Of course. I'm an idiot. Oh, nobody home? Come on. Come on! Ugh. But he needs a doctor. Oh, the doctor isn't there, so he cares for himself, I guess. Okay. I think I should head over here since... Oh, yeah. Back to the city. I'm back to 152. Yeah, right. Alright, I already thought it was like 512, but it's 152. Oh. No animals. Oh, really? Metal Gear Solid? Keep cool, birdie. We'll do it. Whoa. Oh, okay, I get it. I get it. So, even if I did a mistake, it doesn't matter. Hello, sir. Oh no, you didn't realize anything. That's just... Oh, this time it's him moving away. Oh man, the creator of this game is really genius. I like the circles like that, you know? First time I moved to the side, now he moves to the side. Very clever. I think his name is Kangao, if I remember correctly, okay. And I watched for 1 second, not at the screen, and I was already jump scared. Typical. And he really does make great games. And great music, especially great music. Okay, I see it shining there. Oh, okay, so I should... Oh, the lights, of course. Forgot about that. Still nobody paid the bill. And apparently I don't have any parents who care or something. Yeah, again the letter. Oh, of course, the letter of the parents. We're not home and stuff. Oh, now it's all tidy and stuff, you know, the... Oh, I shall... Okay. Shall I jump on the bed again? Why did it blink to me? Or does it just blink because I can turn it off and on? Yay! Okay, I'll turn it on. Because my parents are amazingly rich. Okie dokie. Okay, I can turn on and off this light. Can I do something here? Oh, I missed the arrow. I'm an idiot. Oh, caught you. Ah. Okay. Okay, I don't really get what you want from me. Okay, I go back in, and I go back out. So I have no idea what to do, to be honest. Okay, I'll go back in and see if something is in the living room that I need to catch this bird. Oh yeah, there is. I'm going to catch him with a bath tube. Okay. What is that? Some kind of... I don't know. Oh, water! I get it. Well, I guess he probably also needs some worms and stuff. But hey, okay. Water is the first step in the right direction. Here you go. Especially for you. My best toilet water. Yeah, you need something to eat too, that's true. There you go, birdie. No problemo. No need to thank me. That's what I do. Oh, the door is open. So, any worms in here? Yeah, he's a bird. Oh, did he put it in his pocket or something like that? Well, let's see. Oh no, really, something out of the fridge. Well, he flew away. Well, of course, he's a bird, man. Oh, he was kidding you. JK, lol, still dead. Oh my god, this dude, that bird. Hide and seek. On a pro level. Yeah, he saw you. Don't even try, he saw you. Alright, that's already a feel-good game. I hope there is no heartbreak, like the bird dies or something like that. Oh. No, breaking the bread. There you go. I could make a Jesus joke, but I don't feel like it right now. So is this all a dream? I figured in the beginning he went to bed, so this is all a dream. But by now I'm not quite sure. Is he maybe in a coma or something? Like, you know, a patient of to the moon doctors? Oh, I said I didn't spoil anything, but I guess that's common knowledge. I said I wouldn't spoil anything. Me and English. A nemesis. Oh, he wants to play with the other birds. Who are apparently also shadows. That comes in handy. Equality between birds and humans. I guess that's fair. Okay, moving the mic, sorry. Oh. He wants to fly, but he is unsure yet. Yeah, hopping from one clothesline to another is probably something else than flying over there. It's 3 o'clock in the morning, man. Why don't you sleep? Did he watch him through the window? Probably. Yeah, man, it's 7 o'clock. In German you say, the early bird catches the worm. I don't know if you have a similar saying in English. And off to school we go. Whoa. What? Oh yeah, I forgot I could do that. Totally forgot I could pull that off. Hey, I want to land on the balcony. Okay, I can't. Yeah, of course, my special ability. Flying. Totally forgot about that. Oh, so many jokes to make. From Mary Poppins to Pokemon. I have so many in mind. And so little of them is funny. So where do I need to go? Do I need to go over here? Oh no, I can't go over here. I thought maybe this was some kind of bridge. And this game is so cool. I love games like this. To me, a game is like 60 to 70% story. Maybe even more, depending on the game, you know? Games like these, of course, are only story, but I mean games in general. If something hasn't a good story, and it isn't a shooter, then I can't really enjoy it. Hey Doc, I have a bird. The bird is the word. I don't have any money though. Are you a friendly doctor, or I want the money doctor? What was that? I swear to God, these pictures are too little. Where do I get whatever he needs? Probably here. Come on, give me whatever he needs. Damn it. Oh man, can you tell me again what you need? What is that? Okay. Even if I'm close to it, I can't see it. Well, I don't really know. Or is it that thing? The bottle-ish thing. Yeah, okay, it's that. Here you go, Doc, whatever it is. Some goo. Okay, I can see that. This would be a great game for children, I think. Oh, okay. Toilet paper. Okay, I guess bandages. Are these bandages? No. Where are they, though? Are they back here? Oh, yes, they are. Yeah, I did it, I know, thank you. Alright. Does he want me to leave? Oh, yeah, I suppose. Bye, Doc. Thanks, Doc. But I guess the bird will fly after me. Or hop after me. Oh, he's getting the bird cage. Yeah, shoveling back. Moonwalking his way to victory. Well, it took me a lot less time. It took me less time. Oh my god, he took the bird. This spy. So, did he want to keep him? Or did he want him not to be in a cage? That's the question I have. Maybe a little bit of both. Oh, nice view. Oh, look at that tree, that's massive. Maybe an oak or something like that. Oh, I have no idea about trees. 7 o'clock again. And once again, standing up. Facing whatever comes in my way. But first washing my face so I can face it. Ha. There you go, tree. Eat some bread. That was cute. Oh, is it again bad drawing time? My favorite lessons? Or what was that supposed to be this woman did? Oh, do they learn to fly together? What? What do you want from me? Huh? Okay. Was I supposed to do that? Okay, I guess. Well, this looks awfully to the moonish. Hey, come on, bird. Don't have time for your shenanigans. Bird, don't be a bad bird. I'm the master hunter. Here you go. You see my TV outside? That's what I do. You know? Okay, let's try that again, bird. Okay, or maybe not. Somehow my TV is back inside. Oh, now it's raining. I don't like it when it rains inside. On the other hand, that's the best time to fly with my umbrella. I don't get wet. Oh, you want to jump in puddles? I like that too. Let me show you how that works. Yeah. Who wants to fly if he can jump in puddles? Oh, is that... Oh, I'll be first, man. Oh, god damn it. Why is this... He's like the perfect wet springer. No, I'll win. Come on! Oh, come on! That goddamn bird won. Damn it. Gesundheit. I learned that you can say Gesundheit in America. Ha! You will never catch it. Oh, god damn it. Now bring it back and don't run away. Very... Oh, come on. Oh. You are an ingenious bird. Wow. Is he really tamed like that? Or is he just dreaming all of that? Oh. Well, I guess he's dreaming all of that. Oh yeah, man, Iceman! Oh my god, thank you, Iceman. I love you, Iceman. No, ducks. I like ducks. To be honest, I like ducks better than birds, but you're a special bird, so no problem that you're no duck. But you could share with them. And with me, yeah. It's already about to say. No, be careful, be careful. Be careful! Hey, come on! Thank you. Thank you, car. I already thought my bird would die. That bird, man. Cost me some nerve. What? What do you want? Oh yeah, that thing. I don't know. I can't really see what it is, though. What is that? I don't know. Well, at least it's not my bird. Hey, do you want to play with me? Oh, everybody's talking about the bird and me. And now I have friends. Oh my god. That's why I hate children. They only like kids who have some special ability. Oh my god, don't do that. We go fly. Oh yeah, well, that comes in handy. Oh! Good thing I activated my bubble mode. I always remember, kids, when you go fly, activate your bubble mode. Okay, there you go. Yeah, I know how that works by now, but won't catch us up. You're a good bird. You are a good bird. I should have given you a name. Thereby, I call you Birdie. Awesome. Now that that problem is solved, we probably need some food for Birdie. something like worms. Or Nutella. That looks like Nutella. Like a great jar of Nutella. Alright. Thank you. I'm going to feed that to my bird. Hey, who are you? Or are you me? Oh no, I think you are me. Come on, I'll catch you, me. Now come on, I'm so close. Oh, me is really walking intelligent cycles. Yeah, now I... God damn it, I was so close. I was so close to catching me. Oh, so I'm all older now, or... Well, at least I'm wearing different clothes. And the sprite looks a little bit bigger, you know? Oh, so Birdie isn't with me anymore. Is he? Are you the same Birdie? Oh. Oh no, my birdie's at home. Good thing my birdie's at home. Hello. Birdie. Oh, well, you can at least go outside. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, who wants to read? Nobody wants to read. It's 11:10. Hey, Birdie. How's it going? I saw a similar bird like you. Maybe you want to marry him. It's not normal, our relationship, you know. I mean, I don't judge and all, and I love you, Birdie, but you have to stop. Alright, this was quite tasteless. Good thing everybody knows that I am. Oh, are you going... Oh no, are you going to read him a story? Of course, you're going to make an airplane. And then you fly together with the airplane. Or with the umbrella. Hey, come on, I want to fold it. I swear, if you now shit, I'm quite angry. Alright, he shit on it. Of course he did. God damn it, Birdie. Oh no, Birdie wants to make the ultimate airplane. Well, you're a wise bird, Birdie. I wonder why you didn't use a college block, though. Ah, I haven't given him a name, too. Well, I guess that's not that important. I guess in general it's not that important to the story. It just wants to be a nice story. I don't think it is necessary that they have names and stuff. Great idea, Birdie, I have to say. Now we fold it together. Wow, you're good in doing that. I'm not so good at doing that. It's a good thing you're with me, Birdie. And off we go. Oh, to the other birds? I guess Birdie has to leave me at one point. That's how things work. Yeah, I'll fly in a minute, but I have to end the episode here. So thank you everybody for watching. And if you want to see how this game ends, and I guess it'll end maybe in like half an hour, well, whenever it ends, it will end in the next part. So, I'll see you then. Bye bye.